Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Today I am excited to share with you a delightful recipe that's both easy to make and incredibly delicious. Banana fry pancake. Whether you are looking for a quick breakfast idea or a sweet treat to enjoy with your afternoon tea, this cake is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. So let's make the recipe. First of all, here I am taking 4 ripe bananas. If you prefer using 2 large bananas instead of 4 for your fry pan cake recipe, that's perfect. Peel the bananas and place them in a mixing bowl. Mash them well using a fork or a potato masher until smooth and creamy. To the mashed bananas, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix everything together until the sugar is dissolved. Now add 1/4 cup of oil and 1 egg into the banana mixture. Mix everything very well until the egg is fully combined with the rest of the ingredients. Now sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This ensures even distribution and prevents lumps in your batter. Mix the dry ingredients into the banana mixture gradually with 1/2 cup of milk. Mix gently until all the flour mixture and milk are mixed well. Be careful not to overmix. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Brush some oil on the inside of frying pan to prevent sticking. Sprinkle a thin layer of sugar evenly on the oiled surface. Arrange some thinly sliced bananas on the top of the sugar. Pour the prepared banana cake batter into the pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Tap the fry pan gently to remove any air bubbles. Now place the fry pan on the stove over low heat. Cover the fry pan with a lid. Keep it for 35 to 40 minutes in low flame. Close the hole of the fry pan lid with baking paper. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and allow the banana cake to cool completely. After cooling, gently remove the banana cake from the fry pan. The caramelized banana layer on top adds the perfect touch of natural sweetness and texture. A soft, moist and flavorful banana fry pan cake made without an oven. This simple recipe is perfect for breakfast, tea time, or whether you are craving something sweet and homemade. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking for more easy and delicious recipes like this.